Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today we are presenting a new video that is Amazon Echo Show 5 installation process that make your setup process easier and faster. Setting up your Amazon Echo Show 5 is a straightforward process. In this video we will walk through easy and short steps that are necessary for the setup process. So don't miss out this video. First of all, we start with the Amazon Echo Show 5 unboxing. Inside the Amazon Echo Show 5 box, you will find the Echo Show 5 device itself. Alongside the device, there is a power adapter required to power the Echo Show 5. Additionally, the box includes a quick start guide to help you with the initial setup process. Now connect the power adapter to the Echo Show 5 and then plug it into a power outlet. The device will automatically power on. Wait for the Echo Show 5 to boot up and display the initial setup screen. Choose your preferred language. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks and enter the Wi-Fi password. Sign into your Amazon account by entering your email and password. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one during this step. Enter your address to get local weather updates, news, and other location-based information. Time zone, select your time zone. Device name, you can choose a name for your Echo Show 5, or leave it as the default. The setup process may offer additional options, such as enabling or disabling features like Amazon Sidewalk or Do Not Disturb. Customize these settings to your preference. You may be prompted to link services such as music streaming accounts, e.g., Spotify, Amazon Music, and calendar services. After completing the setup, the Echo Show may 5th provide a brief tutorial to introduce you to its features and capabilities. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.